going to be all about the watercolor method of dyeing your hair. So I used some hair that I was sent from Addcolo hair. It was a 613 blonde stunner. It was like a white, it was like the prettiest blonde, like white blonde hair that I've ever had. So I decided to try the watercolor method with this hair, and as you can see, it turned out really well, like real good. So the things you're going to need for this definitely are going to be some hair that you want to dye. You're also going to need some kind of tongs or something to pull the hair out once you're done, because if you're using boiling water, the hair is still going to be hot. Even if you let it sit for a while, I let my hair sit for 30 minutes and it was still hot afterwards because I use like straight up boiling water. So you're also gonna need hair color. You're gonna need some kind of pot or container to put your warm water in. So if you're scared of the hair dye color in whatever container you're gonna use, maybe get something that you don't really care about. Like my pots, they're like stainless steel pots, so I figured that they probably weren't gonna get stained on anyway, and they didn't get stained, so I used what I had. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started. Make sure you have your water at a boil or at least a hot temperature. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my Adore hair color in Indigo Blue. And then after I applied, I'm gonna go ahead and stir the water and make sure the color is evenly distributed all throughout the water, because you don't want to have just like patches of blue in certain places. You want it to be just fully distributed all around the water. And now I'm going to go ahead and take out my Addcolo 613 bob unit. This hair is so beautiful. I really wanted to keep it like this, but then I was like, you know, I have an opportunity here. So I went on with it and it turned out really great. So I'm just showing you the lace and the inside of this wig. It is a full lace wig. So make sure whenever you're putting your hair in, you don't just like take your time like me. Just go ahead and submerge it all the way very quickly. Don't just do what I'm doing right now, because doing it like I'm doing it, you'll get like patches of color that are more intense than other pieces, and that's not what you want. You want to have like a fully, see, this is what happens when you put it in like I put it in. So I had to let it sit a little longer, and I added some more hair color, and then when I took it out, it was basically one uniform color, other than a few little places that look like highlights. So I just went on the road with it because it wasn't that bad. And I'm just showing you that the lace was fine. And then after you're done with this process, just go ahead and condition the hair. I didn't really feel the need to shampoo it, so I just went on and conditioned it. And after that, you're going to go ahead and rinse it out, and I'm going to show you the intensity of this blue. Look at this blue. This blue is crazy. I just love this color. It is so gorgeous. It is just out of this world gorgeous. I love the way the color came out. It's definitely something I would recommend doing if you are somebody who does not, you know, you don't like having to go individual strands to dye some hair. If you're just going to do like one solid color, or even if you're going to do like some dip colors, you can do that quickly with this method. I would definitely suggest this if you are somebody like me who tends to not want to do a lot when it comes to color. Like, I just want something that's quick and to the point, and this is definitely quick and to the point. And I did not have to worry about the lace being dyed at all, because the color just did not adhere to the lace while it was in that boiling water. I did not want the lace to turn out blue, and the lace is still the same color it was when it went into the water. I really want to just get hair and dye it now, just putting in a pot of water and just letting it go, because this is just so cute. And it's just really simple. Like, I cannot believe how simple this process was and just how easy it was to do. I'm really happy with the whole outcome, and thanks to Addcolo hair for sending me this hair. I know I've had this hair for like a couple of months now, and I've been saying that I was just gonna leave it, like the couple of months that I had it, I was gonna leave it with the white blonde color, because the white blonde color was really pretty. I'll put like a clip of me when I had it on. I was like feeling myself. I felt like Storm. But then eventually I was like, I'm never really gonna wear the white blonde out like that. This I will wear out because I love blue, and I just feel like this looks really good on my complexion. I don't really have anything to say. I just wanted to show you this process and show you how easy and how simple it was, because it truly was simple, and it truly was the easiest hair color experience that I've ever done since I've been doing like wig reviews and hair reviews and stuff on YouTube. My sister was like, ooh, that is really pretty. Now she wants this hair. So, you know, we're gonna have to fight. She's gonna square up. She's gonna catch these hands. She won't take my wig away right now, but you know, maybe somebody will send me some more blonde hair and I will do some more hair colors like this, because this is just gorgeous. I love it. And I think y'all will love it too. So if y'all try this method, let me know down in the comment section below. Let me know what color that you chose to do. I think I'm going to do like a green next, and then like some kind of turquoise or something, because I think that'll look real pretty too. So anyway guys, that is basically all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you later.